Hello friends, welcome to my channel World of Science and let's begin the science quiz section 3. New to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to like and share with your friends. Before starting, let me tell you there will be 10 multiple choice questions. Each contains 3 options and you will get 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, the answer will be displayed on the screen. So without making any delay, start. Question number 1. Dash number of bones in newborn baby and your options are A 206, B 307 or C 300 and your time starts now. And the correct answer is C 300. A newborn baby has 300 bones because they have more flexible cartilage, which is nothing but a firm tissue which is softer than the bone, which hardens and turns to bone and some fuse together as baby grows. Question number 2. There are dash number of bones in hand and your options are A 20, B 22 or C 27 and your time starts now. And the correct answer is C 27. The human hand has 27 bones which is divided into carpals, metacarpals, fingers and the thumb. Carpals, which is also called as wrist, contains 8 bones. Metacarpals, which is also called as palm, contains 5 bones, and the remaining 14 are digital bones, that is your fingers and the thumb. Question number 3. There are dash number of bones in human foot and your options are A 27, B 26 or C 28 and your time starts now. And the correct answer is B 26. The human foot is a strong and complex mechanical structure containing 26 bones. They provide mechanical support for the soft tissues and help the foot to withstand the weight of the body while standing or in the motion. Question number 4. Name the smallest bone in the human body and your options are A stapes, B incus or C malleus and your time starts now. And the correct answer is A stapes. As you see, all the 3 bones as shown in the picture, that is malleus, incus and stapes, are present in the middle ear, collectively called as ocelus. They convey sound pressure waves from the outer ear to the inner ear, where the waves are translated into nerve impulses that reach to the brain for identification. If any one of the bone get damaged, the person may lose all the ability of hearing, and among all these 3, stapes is the smallest bone and also in the human body. Question number 5. Name the largest bone in the human body and your options are A femur, B humerus or C lumbar and your time starts now. And the correct answer is A femur. Femur, also called as thigh bone or upper bone of the leg. It is the longest, heaviest and strongest bone in the human body and the main function is weight bearing and stability of gait. Gait is nothing but a pattern of walking. Question number 6. What is the average length of small intestine? And your options are A 7 meter, B 9 meter or C 8 meter and your time starts now. And the correct answer is A 7 meter. Small intestine is a part of gastrointestinal tract which is narrower than the large intestine. It is the longest, measuring about 7 meters because of the maximum amount of surface area to increase digestion and nutrient absorption. Question number 7. What is the average length of esophagus? And your options are A 26 cm, B 25 cm or C 29 cm and your time starts now. And the correct answer is B 25 cm. Esophagus is the muscular tube-like organ that connects the throat and the stomach, which is about 25 cm. When you swallow a food, the walls of esophagus squeeze together, that contracts, and this makes the food move down to the esophagus to the stomach. Question number 8. Name the fastest enzyme in the human body. And your options are A. Carbonic anhydrase, B. Adenylate cyclase, or C. Protein kinases. And your time starts now. And the correct answer is A. Carbonic anhydrase. Carbonic anhydrase is the fastest enzyme in the human body found in red blood cells, which helps in the conversion of carbon dioxide to carbonic acid and bicarbonate ions. So when RBC reach the lung, the same enzyme helps to convert bicarbonate ion back to carbohydrate, which we breathe out. Question number 9. RBC stands for, and your options are red blood cells, B. red blood count, or C. red body cells. And your time starts now. And the correct answer is A. red blood cells. RBC, also called as erythrocytes, they contain oxygen binding protein called as hemoglobin, which carries oxygen from the lung to the different body tissues and removes carbon dioxide as waste product away from the body tissues to the lungs. Number 10. Average lifespan of RBC. And your options are A. 130 days, B. 105 days, or C. 120 days. And your time starts now. And the correct answer is C. 120 days. RBC survives the circulation for about 120 days, and after that it dies because of the rupturing of the cell membrane, because of the stress, mechanical stress, and tremendous wear and tear as they flow through the various blood vessels in the body. If you like the video and not subscribed my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Keep watching and keep supporting.